Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi everyone, this is Mel. Today we're going to make rice and Roni. So this is actually rice and vermicelli. To make this one, I have to open this and then saute the rice and vermicelli in little bit of olive oil until they're a little bit of brown, and then I have to put in a pan 2.5 cup of water, and when the water is boiling, I'm gonna have to put the sauteed rice and vermicelli to that, and I'm going to add some spices. So what spices I have, it comes with a package of spice, but I'm not going to use that because that has MSG and I don't weird. So what I have here, I have a little bit cilantro leaves, a little bit of salt, a little bit of turmeric, I have some curry powder, and I have basil, sage, Italian seasoning, oregano, and I have some black pepper. You can add anything you wish. I just took few spices from the spice rack and added to give it a really good flavor. So let me go ahead and start sauteing this rice-a-roni, brown it up, and then we'll add all the spices and water and just make it just like rice. As you see, I have a little bit of oil, a little bit of cumin seed and asafoetida, which is a little bit roasted, and to that I'm going to add rice and vermicelli. And I'm just going to saute till they are brown. So once they're brown, I'll show you what to do. So here's my rice and vermicelli sauteed. As you can see, the vermicellis are really brown. And so I already put my 2.5 cup of water, and I'm going to put all my spices to it and mix this, then add the rice and vermicelli. So here's my water, which I put to boil. And now to that, I'm going to add all my spices. And then I'm going to add to it rice and vermicelli, and then let it cook for about 15 to 18 minutes in very low flame. So as you can see, my rice roni is ready, and it's full of herbs and spices and very tasty. So this is my own herbs and spices I added to it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and just get rice and roni and enjoy. And these are not sponsored video, these are things that I try on a regular basis and give you my review, my opinion, how I feel. So I did not use the spice inside it, I made my own spices. Thank you, bye bye. So here is my rice roni. It's all cooked. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.